Hello everybody, this is Mr. Animals 1999. Today I'm going to be doing a bird update. Alright, so I'm going to start over here. Over here, in this purple house cage, I have my lovebirds, Honey and Peaches. I'll turn on. Peaches, I'm trying to see if they have babies, but no eggs yet. And then I got rid of the finch cage up here, and I connected the cage with a perch, and I hung a swing, and then to this cage, and then I got my other two lovebirds. We got Star and Penguin. For some reason she's been picking her feathers, but they're starting to grow back. I don't know why, but I've been doing something with her, like spraying her. But this is my lovebird counter. I got rid of the tabletop. I got a lamp, so at night I turn that on. They like this a lot. They hang out on it. Alright, let's go to the parakeets. I got the same cage for both of them. But let's, for the parakeets, they're all still good. I still have all 9. I'm debating on giving them to one of my friends, a new home. And, get rid of this cage. Because I have a play stand. And it's so much birds I have that I'm trying to, reduce the amount I have. So I was going to give all these all together to a home. And my cockatiels. 5 cockatiels. Now what they did here, they used to poop on the wall. And it used to be hard to clean. So what I did was, at the Christmas tree shop, they were selling a flag. It had a bird on it and it says welcome with flowers. So I use that as a background and it makes it colorful. So and then down here I have my zebra finches. Now I got more than what I used to have. My 2 babies came out of the nest finally. One's right next to the dad. The white and the pied are the dads. And the mom. But that's a baby right here. As you could tell with the black beak. And it's cool. My aunt, she has birds too. And she gave me this thing because her birds didn't fit on it. She gave me it. It's like a Java thing, but it looks like a cool branch. And they like that more. They hardly sit on the perch. They sit on the tree. So they like that a lot. They sleep in the coconut. That's it. Nothing new. Still have everything. That's the only new thing. Star's on it right now. There's Sunny. Alright, that's my bird update. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe.